Okay, I am making some monkey bread here. I've got butter or margarine that is melted. I've got my Italian seasoning. I'm using minced garlic, but you could use just garlic powder if you wanted. Mike likes it extra garlicky. That's what I'm doing. Now, Parmesan cheese, if you want. I'm out right now. Or mozzarella. We just like the mix of it. Then pepperonis right here. Now, a lot of recipes use a full bag of pepperoni, but you don't need a full 6 ounces. That's a lot of pepperoni. We are frugal guys, so we use half of that amount. Love my butter here. Okay, you can come in, Dave, just...
Estoy aquí, mi familia!
Okay, I was gonna say quietly, but that'll work too. All right, and then chopping my pepperonis in half. Okay, now make sure you break up all your pepperonis that they get totally, oops, some didn't get chopped there. Okay. I've been doing cooking videos all day and I'm exhausted and I needed something quick and easy for dinner. Now we've got our canned biscuits. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. And then I forgot to add a little bit of olive oil. Now, I do not give out the recipe ingredient measurements because I have it already on my website or in the description below. That way you can just copy it or print it out if you need to, okay? So that is why I do that, but it is in the description below unless I forget. I try not to forget, but sometimes I do, and if I do, please kindly let me know. All right, my oven is ready at 350 degrees. And now I'm cutting my biscuits in quarters. Okay, and then put my biscuits in my bowl. Just like so. All of this together. I've got my 9x13 or bunt pan. Whichever you want. Very well greased. And I'm going to pour it all in there. Then sure everything is separated. If there's any big chunks that didn't get separated, then okay. Oh, yum. Okay, now we're gonna bake this in the oven about, I think about 20 to 25 minutes. I don't know, this is a test recipe, so we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, 350 degrees, I'll let you know the time. And we're gonna serve this with marinara sauce. I do not like the way marinara sauce tastes out of the can. I always add more seasoned salt, more garlic, and more Italian seasoning. But it's a cheap way to get a lot of tomatoes. Okay, normally I do double that amount, but I'll just do the top portion. Putting some marinara sauce in a jar, or in a bowl for dipping. You can warm it up if you want. There's Mr. 80s man. His 80s day at school today. Wow, that's bad when mom and dad are vintage, Jack. That's bad when mom and dad are vintage. All right, here's our pizza pull-apart bread right here. And just put a little bit on a bowl. Now, of course, you can add any toppings you want that's normally pizza. You can do black olives, onions, green peppers. You could do Canadian bacon and pineapple, although if you do pineapple, I would definitely make sure that you pat the pineapple a little bit dry so it doesn't make your bread too soggy. But any pizza toppings you want, and then just dip it in the marinara sauce, and there you go, delicious. Do you want a taste test, or do you want Dad to taste test?
I can taste test. I don't know if I want to be on video.
Okay, you don't have to be on video. You can just tell them what you think. What do you think? What is the opinion?
It's good stuff.
Good stuff, Maynard?
Very good stuff.
Yay. All right, here's your after school snack / dinner.
Actually, that was really good.
Really, really good, huh?
Mm-hmm.